Hello friends, I'm Alexius Varro, and welcome back to our channel where we explore the art of Stoic living. Today, on day 68 of our journey, we're diving into a profound concept from Epictetus that can radically transform the way we approach our mental well-being. The chapter is titled, "Do Not Let Go of Your Freedom." Epictetus once poignantly asked, "If someone handed your body over to a stranger, you would be outraged. But when you entrust your mind to a random person, so that if they start to insult you, your mind becomes embarrassed and confused, you are not ashamed of that." This quote from the Enchiridion, chapter 28, forms the bedrock of our discussion today. We instinctively shield our physical bodies. We don't permit strangers to touch us, direct our actions, or dictate our whereabouts. Yet, when it comes to our minds, we exhibit a surprising lack of discipline. We unenlightenedly surrender our mental sovereignty to social media, television, and even the idle chatter around us. In essence, we allow our minds to become the playgrounds of external influences. Think about it. How often do we sit down to work, only to drift into browsing the internet? How frequently are we with our families, only to pull out our phones after a few moments? Even during the serenity of a park walk, we fail to introspect, instead judging passers-by or entertaining frivolous thoughts. This behavior, according to the Stoics, is appalling. Societal forces can imprison our bodies, and adverse weather can disrupt our plans. But our mind is an inviolable fortress unless we, by our free will, open its gates to invaders. The Stoics implore us to seize control of our mental faculties. Your mind and perceptions are your most valuable assets. Protecting them is not just essential, it's imperative. Let's reflect on how much time we waste in this mental surrender. How often do we realize the inefficiencies we've fallen into purely because we allowed external stimuli to dictate our thoughts? What's more disheartening is that no one forces us to act this way. It's a lapse we willingly walk into, much to the detriment of our cognitive serenity and productivity. So, what can we do about it? The key lies in cultivating awareness and self-discipline. Here are a few practical steps to help regain control over our mental landscape. 1. Mindfulness practices. Engage in daily meditation or mindfulness exercises. These practices help you become more aware of your thoughts and the external influences trying to hijack them. Digital minimalism. Reduce the time spent on social networks and engaging with mindless content. Set specific times for checking emails or social media and stick to them. 3. Focused work sessions. Employ techniques like the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus during work periods. Short, concentrated bursts of productivity, followed by a break, can significantly enhance your efficiency. 4. Reflective. At the end of each day, jot down instances where you felt your mind wandered or was influenced by external factors. This helps in identifying patterns and areas for improvement. 5. Engage in deep conversations. Instead of superficial scrolling, engage in meaningful conversations with people around you. This not only enriches your relationships, but also stimulates critical thinking. Remember, friends, the goal is not to completely isolate ourselves from the world. Rather, it's about fostering an inner resilience that shields our mind from being easily swayed. The Stoic path encourages us to be the masters of our thoughts, to hold fast our cognitive freedom amidst the barrage of external turbulence. To sum it up, Epictetus's wisdom teaches us the vital lesson of safeguarding our minds with the same fervor we protect our physical bodies. Control your mind and your perceptions, he urges, for therein lies the essence of true freedom. Thank you for joining me today on this journey towards mastering our inner realms. If you found this discussion enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights on Stoic living. Until next time, stay resilient, stay disciplined, and maintain that inner calm. Let's continue transforming with Stoicism.